Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. I wanted to bring you up to date on what's been going on and fill you in on all the good stuff I have planned for the future. Through January and February, work was just crazy busy. That was really nothing unusual. But then in March, things blew up with the crazy global issues that have us all locked in our homes now. I got hit a little earlier than many of you with this latest situation. I work for a company in the security industry, and in March we had to go through a massive restructuring and changing of our technological communication systems to allow us to continue to function with the upcoming quarantines. March has been a bit of a blur for all of us at this company. Now, like a good portion of the rest of the country, I'm under a shelter-at-home order. I'm still working, just now from home. My wife is still working from home as well, but my son is out of work. So that's not great, but we have it better than a lot of people, and that's for sure. You know I had a trip to Italy planned this year. Obviously, that's been canceled. I'm hoping that things will allow us to go later this year or next year. We just have to see how things go on that. But I've had to spend a lot of time these last several weeks trying to recoup the more than $7,000 that I've spent on airline tickets, apartments, reservations, tours, etc. That's taken a lot of time as well. So that's what's kind of kept me tied up for the past several weeks. It's been difficult and stressful, but as I said, I think we're better off at this point than a lot of people, and we're very fortunate for that. Things are calming down with work now, and I can get back to working on my videos. Truth is, I can't go out of the house, so I don't have much else to do anyway. And I've got a lot of things lined up to do on the channel. I've got a few drone videos in various states of completion, including a head-to-head comparison between the Mavic Air and the Mavic Mini. As I tested the two drones, I was surprised by a few observations, and I think you'll be surprised as well. I've got a few software and hardware reviews lined up and some more tutorials as well. I also want to start a series of videos that I've wanted to do for a long time. Up to now, I've focused on tutorials on flying drones. This year, I want to expand into improving your skills as a drone videographer. I want to talk about how to shoot better raw video, composition, using your cameras more effectively, planning your flights. These videos will help you shoot and edit better videos and will be helpful to anyone from the newest beginner to the most experienced commercial pilot. I'm also going to expand into talking about handheld cameras. Drone video is great, but your travel videos, your video productions in general, will be 10 times better if you can integrate drone and handheld video. I'm going to talk about different types of cameras, from action cameras to point-and-shoots to micro four thirds cameras. We'll cover how you can use them, in conjunction with your drone footage, to create awesome finished videos. I'll still do drone videos, don't worry about that, but I want to get into more types of cameras as well. Finally, I want to introduce you to a friend I made earlier this year. You may know him already. He's Andre with the Worth It or Not YouTube channel. I was a subscriber to his channel for some time before I noticed he was wearing a Colleyville baseball cap. And I realized, hey, he lives close by. So we swapped some messages back and forth and finally got together earlier this year. We spent an afternoon flying drones and it was an awesome time. Andre's channel covers all things photographic. Action cameras, micro four thirds cameras, and of course drones. And I really love the way he approaches his reviews and tutorials. As I said, I've been a subscriber of his for a long time, long before I realized he was nearby, and I'm really excited that he's a fellow Texan. I tell you about Andre for a couple reasons. First, Andre has offered to do a joint video with me, and I hope to get that coordinated soon. For now, we'll have to do this through Skype or something like that, but we're looking to bring you a conversation where we talk about the different types of cameras you should consider to go along with your drone. Andre is an expert when it comes to all these different types of cameras, and I'm looking forward to having him share his thoughts on these cameras with you. He's very plugged into this market. For example, at Christmas time, he did an episode on an opportunity to get a little-known 4K action camera for only $20.
So today we're going to look at an action camera just in time for the holidays. For all of you budget-minded people, could this be the actual best budget native 4K action camera out on the market for under 20 bucks?
I grabbed two of them as gifts for family members, and that was great. He really knows the market, and I think you'll enjoy our conversation. The second reason I tell you about Andre is I encourage you to visit his channel and check out some of his videos. I think you'll really enjoy how he approaches product reviews. He doesn't just list out specs and features. He really shows you the strengths and weaknesses of each camera in a conversational style I really enjoy. He did one episode where he demonstrated the differences in image stabilization between the GoPro Hero 7, DJI Osmo Action, and GoPro Hero 8, and that video by itself was enough to convince me to go out and buy the Hero 8, even though I already own the Hero 7 and Osmo Action. His content is helpful, informative, and entertaining. You're going to love his work. I've got links to his channel on screen and in the description below, so I encourage you to subscribe to his channel and watch several of his episodes. Then stay tuned for our video. It should be a lot of fun. So that's what you can expect from me in the coming months. And this brings me to what I'd like to ask from you now. We YouTube video makers are going through tough times with our channels. We're getting fewer views in recent weeks, and living under stay-at-home orders makes it tough to get out and create videos. All that along with the challenges of living in these difficult times that you know very well. So let me ask you, do you enjoy the videos we make? Have we taught you how to do things? Make good purchasing choices? Just have fun? Have we helped you? Now is the time you can help creators like me, like Andre, like so many other video creators. How? Take some time while you're staying at home to watch several of our videos. Watch some of my videos. Go to Worth It or Not and check out several of his videos. And be sure to subscribe there. Those views and viewing minutes will help us sustain our channels, and they don't cost you anything but a little time. There are so many excellent channels out there. There's Captain Drone, a great advocate for drones in Canada. Drone Girl, who does drone vlogs in Ireland. Drone Film Guide, an awesome channel in Scotland. Billy Kyle in Philadelphia, or Star Action Cinema. These guys really have fun with their drones. Or Flight Path, or Alex Mark Aerial Videos in Greece, or Full PI22 channel run by Steve Carr. If you own a unique drone, you probably know Steve from the UniquePilots.com discussion forum, and you should watch his videos. I'll list several channels in the description below that I enjoy and encourage you to watch. If you haven't seen all these channels, check them out. So what exactly am I asking you to do? Go to the channels you like. Watch some of their videos. Be sure to watch them all the way to the end because view time is important from a YouTube perspective. Subscribe if you haven't already. Post comments on those videos and hit the like button. If you want to purchase something, use an affiliate link on one of those videos. Your views and interactions will help YouTube creators sustain their channels and will give them a boost emotionally as well. If you enjoy YouTube, now is the time for you to support the YouTube creators who have supported you with their content over the past several months or years. That's it for now. I've got several more videos in the works and I hope to publish again very soon. Thanks for watching.